What if I told you that one of the world's most popular superfoods goes through an incredible journey before it ever reaches your plate? From the sun-soaked orchards of California to the vast avocado farms of Mexico, this small green fruit has taken over kitchens around the world. Creamy, rich, and packed with nutrients, avocados are more than just a trendy ingredient, they're a global phenomenon. A single avocado is loaded with healthy fats, fiber, potassium, and essential vitamins that support heart health, digestion, and even glowing skin. It's no wonder demand has skyrocketed in recent years. In fact, Mexico alone produces over 40% of the world's avocados, making it the undisputed leader in global supply. But behind every perfectly ripe avocado lies a story of patience, precision, and innovation. From carefully cultivated trees, to skilled hand harvesting, to high-tech factory processing. This is the fascinating journey of avocados, from farm to factory. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll never look at an avocado the same way again. Every avocado starts its journey long before it appears in your kitchen. It begins in nurseries, where young trees are carefully cultivated under controlled conditions. But here's something interesting. Farmers don't just grow avocados from seeds. Instead, they use a technique called grafting. This involves combining a strong rootstock with a high-quality branch from a proven avocado variety. The result? Trees that produce better fruit, resist disease, and grow more consistently. Once the young trees are ready, they are transplanted into orchards with rich, well-drained soil. Volcanic soil, in particular, is ideal because it provides the perfect balance of nutrients and drainage. Spacing is also crucial. Each tree is planted several meters apart to ensure it receives enough sunlight, airflow, and access to nutrients. Crowded trees compete for resources, which can reduce both quality and yield. Avocado trees thrive in warm, stable climates. They don't handle extreme cold well, and too much water can damage their roots. That's where modern farming technology comes in. Instead of traditional irrigation, many farms now use advanced mist spraying systems. These systems distribute fine droplets of water evenly across the soil, maintaining consistent moisture levels while preventing overwatering. This method not only improves efficiency but also helps protect the trees during hot weather by reducing heat stress. As the trees grow, they require constant care and attention. Farmers regularly prune branches to improve airflow and allow sunlight to reach deeper into the canopy. This reduces the risk of disease and helps the fruit develop evenly. At the same time, pests and plant health are closely monitored. In many modern farms, drones are used to spray treatments and inspect large areas quickly and efficiently. After about 3 to 4 years, the trees begin to produce fruit. However, reaching full productivity can take up to 10 years. During the flowering season, small yellow blossoms appear across the trees. These flowers play a critical role in the production process. They rely heavily on bees for pollination, a natural partnership that determines how many avocados will eventually grow. Once pollinated, the fruit begins its slow development. Over the next 6 to 9 months, the avocados grow in size, gradually reaching maturity. But here's the surprising part. Even when fully grown, avocados are still hard and not ready to eat. That's because avocados don't ripen on the tree. They only begin to ripen after they are harvested. When harvest season arrives, timing is everything. Picking avocados too early can affect their taste and texture, while waiting too long increases the risk of damage or spoilage. Farmers must carefully assess each fruit, checking its size, firmness, and maturity before deciding it's ready to be picked. And despite all the advancements in agricultural technology, harvesting avocados is still largely done by hand. Why? Because machines simply can't match the precision and care required. Workers use long-handled clippers to cut the fruit from high branches. For taller trees, ladders or lifting platforms are used to safely reach the top. Each avocado is gently placed into a padded basket worn on the chest. This prevents bruising, a crucial detail, since even small impacts can damage the fruit and reduce its quality. This process may seem slow compared to machines, but it ensures that only the best avocados are selected. It's a skill that takes experience and attention to detail. Teams of workers move through the orchards in a coordinated effort, harvesting thousands of fruits each day. In large farms, a single team can collect several tons of avocados daily. To improve efficiency, some farms use support systems like mobile platforms or cable transport systems to move harvested fruit quickly out of the orchard. Once collected, the avocados are carefully placed into crates and transported by trucks to nearby processing facilities. From here, the journey shifts from traditional farming to advanced industrial processing. As soon as the avocados arrive at the factory, they enter a highly controlled environment designed to preserve freshness and ensure quality. The first step is cold storage. The fruit is kept at low temperatures to slow down the ripening process, allowing it to remain firm and fresh before processing begins. Next comes cleaning. The avocados are placed on conveyor belts and transported into a washing system. High-pressure water sprays remove dirt, dust, and any debris from the surface of the fruit. After washing, the avocados pass through a sanitizing stage using food-safe solutions. This step eliminates bacteria and ensures the fruit meets strict hygiene standards. Then comes drying. Soft rotating brushes gently clean the surface while air systems remove any remaining moisture. The process is carefully designed to avoid damaging the delicate skin. Now it's time for one of the most advanced stages, sorting. Using high-speed optical scanners and laser sensors, each avocado is analyzed in a fraction of a second. These machines evaluate color, size, weight, and even detect tiny surface imperfections that are invisible to the human eye. Thousands of avocados can be processed every hour with incredible accuracy. However, technology isn't the only line of defense. Human workers are still involved in quality control, ensuring that only the best fruit continues along the production line. After sorting, each avocado is labeled with important information such as origin, type, and batch number. This ensures full traceability throughout the supply chain. Finally, the avocados are carefully packed into cartons or mesh bags. Some facilities use robotic arms equipped with precision sensors to handle this task, placing each fruit gently into its package without causing damage. Once packed, the products are moved into cold storage again, ready for distribution to markets around the world. Not every avocado you see at the factory will end up on a supermarket shelf. Some may have minor imperfections on the outside, a small bruise, uneven color, or irregular shape, but inside, they're still perfectly rich, creamy, and full of nutrients. Instead of going to waste, these avocados are transformed into one of the most valuable products on the market, avocado oil. The process begins by cutting the fruit open and removing the pit. The skin is carefully separated, leaving behind the soft, buttery flesh. This flesh is then transferred into industrial grinders, where it's turned into a smooth, thick paste. From here, the real transformation begins. There are two main methods used to extract the oil. The first is cold pressing, a method that applies gentle pressure without heat. This process preserves the oil's natural flavor, vibrant green color, and powerful nutrients like antioxidants and healthy fats. The second method uses centrifugation. In this high-tech process, the avocado paste is spun at extremely high speeds. This separates the oil from water and solid particles efficiently, allowing for large-scale production while maintaining quality. Once extracted, the oil goes through a filtration process to remove any remaining impurities. Some oils are left in their pure, unrefined state, while others are further refined to create a lighter color and higher smoke point, making them ideal for cooking at high temperatures. The final result is a smooth, golden green oil packed with nutritional benefits and versatility. But that's not the only path avocados can take. Some are also processed into frozen avocado products. The flesh is cut into chunks and quickly frozen using advanced rapid freezing technology. This locks in the flavor, color, and nutrients, allowing the product to be stored for months without preservatives. These frozen avocados are widely used in smoothies, sauces, and ready-to-eat meals, offering convenience without sacrificing quality. Once processing is complete, the final step is packaging and distribution. Fresh avocados are carefully placed into cartons or mesh bags designed to protect the fruit while allowing proper airflow. This helps maintain freshness during transport. For avocado oil, the process is even more precise. Automated bottling systems fill each bottle with exact measurements, seal them tightly, and apply labels that include product information and origin. Everything is designed to protect the oil from light and air, two factors that can reduce quality over time. After packaging, the products are stored in temperature-controlled environments. Fresh avocados are kept cool to slow down ripening, while processed products like oil are stored under optimal conditions to maintain stability and shelf life. From there, they are loaded onto pallets and transported using refrigerated trucks and shipping containers. These products travel thousands of miles, from farms in Mexico or California to supermarkets, restaurants, and homes all around the world. It's a carefully managed system that ensures every avocado arrives fresh, safe, and ready to enjoy. From a tiny grafted seedling, to a fully grown tree under the sun. From careful hand harvesting, to advanced factory processing. And finally, into the products we use every day. The journey of an avocado is nothing short of remarkable. It's a perfect blend of tradition and innovation, where skilled farmers and modern technology work together to deliver quality at every step. So the next time you slice open an avocado, or drizzle avocado oil over your meal, take a moment to think about everything it went through to get there. Because behind that simple green fruit is a global journey filled with precision, care, and incredible effort. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for more fascinating stories from the world of agriculture. See you in the next one.